Hi, ETL 221 class. It is good to see you all again. My name is Jennifer Peterson, and I'm residential faculty at Chandler Gilbert Community College. I coordinate our early childhood and teacher ed program and also get the luxury of serving as faculty liaison to the CTLA. I teach, this semester I'm teaching EDU 222, Intro to Exceptional Learners. I am working on developing classroom relationships and also teach sections of child development and teaching and learning in the community college. Trying something new with this screencasting and Google Slides, so please bear with me here. My favorite part of EDU 220 is exploring the features that I hadn't used before in the quiz section of Canvas. I'm playing around with embedding video and other content in the quiz section. Working with my group was awesome. I loved getting to work with everybody and collaborate to build a project. And then I also liked really reworking the Getting Started module because it's something I'm actually going to use in the future with my online students. What I'm really looking forward to in 221 is learning more about best practices. I want to continue to use some of the Google features and continue practicing with some of those and also the Screencast-O-Matic features. I want to learn about more ways to engage my students and then continue developing my course. I'm super excited to use this as an opportunity to develop the course. And I also am hoping to really clarify my modules and make sure that there's clarity throughout so students have a really good sense of what they're supposed to be doing. Do I feel prepared to teach online? No, I never feel prepared. I've taught online face-to-face and hybrid, but I still never feel like I've fully mastered it yet. But looking forward to learning more tips to doing so. Something unique about me is I absolutely love the summertime here in Arizona. I don't hate the sunshine. I like being outside when it's hot. I like hiking even when it's hot. I love swimming outside. And then I was born and raised in North Dakota, which might be the reason that I love the Arizona sunshine so much. I attended the same high school from first grade. We didn't have kindergarten back then, but first grade all the way through 12th grade. And there were 13 of us who started in kindergarten and went all the way through 12th grade. The same school, just divided into different sections, and we had the graduating class size of 30, and it was considered the big class. Last but not least, I love watermelon, and I'm sorry, Christian, I know you hate it, and it's on one of your lists of things that you like least, but I absolutely love watermelon, and I hate seafood. I hate sushi. I don't like any kinds of seafood whatsoever. So thanks for watching. Welcome. Can't